it's your girl Kelly, and we're back with another one. Well, guys, I don't know if my room has proper lighting, and I can't see myself because I'm using my back camera. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And welcome back. So yeah, guys, Sim Shadwi this weekend, and we're going touchdown Durban. So I was like, why not do a vlog for my YouTubers? Because whoa, what? Why not? Anyway, as Pakshani, if you see anything on my bed or whatsoever, who is pity camera, but so please try to keep up with me, and I'll try to keep up with you. Bye, my lovies. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please. Ngicela ningenzeleni iqiniso. Anyways, guys, asenzeni njalo. Isikhathi asikho. I didn't do my toes. I didn't do my lashes. Gubi isasa futhi ngesikoleni. Hawe. Phew, shoot my hair. But anyway, bye, bahlali. Yeah. Suitcase check. Suitcase is empty. But we'll be back with another one. Ne. Suzubuya with another one. I'm trying to get proper space for me to shoot properly, but I showed you my suitcase, it's still empty, so I'll be back. Well, we are done now. Kesana, I'm just bored. I wanted other shoes, name, because these are the shoes I'm gonna wear at the wedding. Yeah. These are the shoes I got, and I wanted other shoes, and now I can't find them. But yeah, this is my bag. My room, my room is still messed up. Like, look at that. I still need to clean that up. And right now I am really irritated because I can't find my shoes, and I really wanted to wear those shoes. I was like seriously contemplating that I'm gonna wear those shoes. I still have to do my nails. Last minute. Indeed. But anyway, guys, I'll actually see you guys tomorrow morning because there's no way that I'm gonna try and film here. Plus, my tripod is broken. Let's just start there. My tripod is broken. And yeah, but let me show you. Okay, those I'm gonna wear my sambas, and that is my bag, and this is my other bag. I was gonna carry a tote, but I'm traveling by public transport, so I was like, no ways, I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, guys, I'm so tired. I had extra classes and I am really tired. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning if I just don't forget to vlog, and I need to charge my phone. So bye bye. Which is gonna be a Friday, the 24th. So yeah, that's an ad break just to give you a little goofy time. But anyway, guys, I don't want to be long. Good night. Bye, Bashalis. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Nilale kaguhle bafazi namadodana namadodo. But anyways, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Ngiyanthanda. I hope nani ngiyanthanda. Sharp. The nails, guys. I'm doing my nails. Like, look, that's how busy I am. Yeah. I think those are my last minute. Well, good morning, guys. Time is around 4:30. I'm gonna start. Usually start by day. I think it's I'm so sorry. I'm very tired, but yeah, this is what's in funny vlog, and I'm tired because I slept late. I had to do my nails, and I finished like at 11, so I'm really tired. But anyway, let's go bath and let's get this day started, and don't forget to pray. And yeah, that's all. I usually do my prayers when I'm done with everything, but Guys, as Bopegi. Maybe it's because this thing in man. Wait, I'm coming back. It better work. Yes, nothing creator, but I just need my hair tie. Okay. Hey, Mama, I was cute. I'm just getting the guys. I don't want issues, that's why I'm tying a bun. Because I give issues. Gore is wrong. That's wrong. Ka ing. Or should I just let it my hair be? Okay. Let's just let it be. I'm gonna hairline. Like anyways guys, I don't want to make this long. Let me just sum it to my OOTD. So I'm wearing my Soweto Grove t-shirts. It's grey and this is how it looks at the back. Yes, that's how it looks at the back. And then I'm wearing a Nike sweatpants and I'm gonna wear my Sambas and then yeah, and then I'm gonna wear my hoodie, this one, jump on, and then I'll take it from there because I don't want to make this thing long. It's already long for me doing my hair and all of that. So guys, it's hard. Let me quickly wrap up my room. It's actually dirty and I'll see you. Let me just go wake up my brother. Bye bye. See you just now. Because I just want to say, super tame or tame my girl, you are working. Uyasebenza. Uphuze nesmoothie sa-turmeric no carrots. Ngiyakujela, bazokujela ngathi uyayikhuluma on. Bazothi uyayikhuluma on. Ngiyakujela. But anyway, but angazi nokulala. Jeba. I can't even dance to save my life, but I really like that dance. My porridge are all muscles. Ngizibona ngazathi nami ngikwazi ukushaya ama-ride. Kanti angazi. But anyway, bye guys. Yo, ngikhuluma kahle futhi shem. Yes, and more of slide. Incredible, mara. Not incredible. Anyway, some feet. Sengfikile. Sisiphakathi within sidiniwe sham. But ke bengizo-update cause bengisaba ukuvlog eTexini. Poppy Act. Poppy Act angifune inkinga mina. Sekuthiwa yeyi ngaveza ubani kanjani. Kwashaya but anyways guys, ngibona sesikusile. Manje cause sekusile. Sharp. Morning guys. I'm gonna do my face beat but morning guys. How are you guys? I hope you guys are good. I am doing my face beat and I can't do my face beat with my camera rolling. I feel a bit nervous, but I'll come back quickly. I'm really late, so I'll come back guys. Bye.
Akusukwanda lo uyembuzi kodwa sithomba ukuthi wena ungena ngo10 past asha
ngene ngiyakhumula ukuthi mengo exactly 10 past
asikashayi 10 past hamba noma
efisi kunomuntu
manje masosishiyana guys lesokwenza njani
befana senza amahanzi
ngasikhumbuza yami so yasoka yeah la mqaqweni sesifuna sisibheka novali robot sisayini usikhumbuza uma esedweba ukuthi wenza izinto zakhe kumanje nje uyadweba usisele
njani baba
Satan udani. Yeah, Satan udani. Uthi kuvumile.
Very organized. Very organized.
Yabona umuntu ongasiponsed sokufundisa ingane zakhe. Ongasiponsed sokufundisa ingane.
Athi nama logistics.
Yes.
Make sure.
Why esikhathini esiningi ngathi akwakujwayelekile ukuthi kube umzalo ongafuni. Kuba yingane.
Exactly.
Yes, kuba yingane. Lasikho samaye siyathanda uma sebeyo graduate.
Futhi ke ubona ukuthi umuntu
Well, hi guys. Sesifikile ke mcimbini. Sanibonani bafana.
sashaqisa ke manje.
Asishi kanje, asishi kanje, asishi kanje, asishi kanje. Asishi kanje la. Ha? Yebo. Yebo.
No, man, it's a pass.
Ulinde queue.
Hey, impongo le. Ingabali.
Say hi to the vlog.
Unamandla.
Usuqonde kakhulu iqondile insizwa
The first time you see this.
akasho ukuthi is inhuman.
Bengisacela nje nivule ispace nyana la so that nalaba abahleli bezokhona ukubona ne. Ngisacela nibavulele nje.
Umaqabelo abamaziyo abazange bambo.
Besisacela abantu bakumede nabo basilethele nkosami ubhuti wethu endlini. And then besisacela another chair. Besisacela abagumede basilandele umkhwenyana ngaphakathi endlini. Besisacela umndeni abakabhande nabaka kwabe basilandele.
You want inside the house? Okay, no. I'll find it.
What's my sensitivity?
It's not allowing.
Kuvalekile guys lana besisacela nje zama ukuvula. And angikwazi ukubingelela kabili.
I've been in this place for the second time. So angisakwazi ukubingelela kuzoze kube monotonous. May I please have all the chabizolos to stand up?
Oh, hi guys. It's the body girl. I just woke up. Yo guys, it was epic. It was fun. It was gorgeous. But yeah, unfortunately my phone switched off. So I couldn't record everything. Because we're on my trip. Power bank. I'm teaching me too long. I'm tired. Kashisa.
Too much.
Oh,
I hate these curtains so much.
angeke phela azinyash. Ngifuswe yiyo futhi. Cause damn it's hot. See you guys. A proof of life, I'm not going, as you guys can see. I haven't dressed up at all. I was just fixing my lashes because there is a lot. But the initial plan is for us to go to the beach later on. And yeah guys, I also want to say that my vlog is kind of going to be a very weird and what one because and my phone switched off. So I'm also gonna try and grab some content from my sister because she was also vlogging and things like that. So the problem is, she's doing a TikTok vlog. So if I don't post other things, I'll also put her in my description on my YouTube so you guys can go also watch things I missed out. But I try to take majority of the content. So I had to be busy. But I tried my best to vlog. Guys, please do the most. I am not going to work so hard for people that are not going to even watch this vlog. But again, team perseverance, mini yesonto, asaming aba yesonto and I hope in content people that are traveling down and traveling and indlela sibheke ekhaya. I wish I can stay in Durban forever. Durban angazi Mom Ayanda Mawuyibuka le vlog. I show me you did your best. Stand sami. I love it down sana. But yeah, let's pack. Okay, I'm done packing, but I'm gonna go to the beach now and then I'm leaving later on the day. Hi guys. Yeah? Abathi gongaje. Asa mense beach. My second one. This is my last day tomorrow. So I must go have fun at the beach. Let's go to the beach. That's happy. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Tell them who you are, what you said. Tell them.
I'm Tanzo for those who know me on IG, and I'm your sister.
Tell them to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe,
So
like,
and
share.
yes.
Yeah.
Bye. Yep, beach. It's a beach. Society trees are nice.
Boom.
But to cheese and dust. Sing from dust. Dabatis and dust. Sakhlala sikhohlisa ngamagama uthando lavila sengithanda ngempela sakhlala sikhohlisa ngamagama uthando lavila sengithanda ngempela Lavi lokunganayo qomani phela Qomani phela sitsizwa. Iyazicelela intombi. Yadlala, hey ngaze niqome kwamaphela. Umuntu. Yadlala shem. Good morning guys. It's a Monday. Sesiyabuyela ke emakhaya bayithi bandla. Sekunjalo phelile umcimbi. Sobonana ku part 2 because kune part 2 onzima kabi sasilindile. But we'll see each other on part 2. But ke manje back to reality, back to work, back to school, back to everything. It was a great weekend in Nandike. And I'm not precisely closing up this vlog. I hope you guys try to enjoy it. I tried my best because I am still a little bit shy on vlogging in front of people. So yeah, but okay guys. Mzamile, Nangsahamba, I'll try and show my way, but I am going back home to Middleburg. So indlela yindi. I think the time is around 8:30. Yeah, going to 9. So I just wanted to leave early so I can get home early. Okay guys, bye bye. Let's get this vlog somewhere and then I'll keep posting. But keep up with my Instagram. That's my Instagram handle. Check out that. There's posts, there's everything. And then check out my TikTok. It's Kilebukile.letutula. All of that is in small letters, including my Instagram, but I'll put it down in my description and also here. Alright, so then yeah guys, keep up and let's get these subbies there. Subscribe button by 5 6 subscribe button. But yeah, bye bye. What is Lupus? I'm going. Bye bye. We close off a vlog earring journey. Yeah, ayanda nomfundo. As we close it off, this was one splendid wedding I've been to. I'm trying to close the door. A wedding I never thought I would learn something from it. The thing is, the way I love that those little two makes me very emotional. So that's why I get so emotional when I speak about them. But yeah, weekend enkulu. And thank you for your service, guys. As much as it's little, but we all start somewhere. Ne? Trust in the God. Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. This is my goal. I've always wanted to do content. I've always enjoyed doing my own makeup. And one day I'll do a makeup and I'll tell you the reason why I love makeup so much. But anyway, guys, this is the end. And thank you so much. I don't even have exactly 4 words to say how grateful I am to my friends that encouraged me to actually